Okay, back at the 8-foot pond skid. And looks like my foam is still in pretty good shape. So I guess what I could do is maybe a chalk line would help. If you don't have a chalk line, I don't think it's gonna be all that big a deal on here. Yeah, I don't, oh, there it is. Let's say I don't see the chalk line. So that line right there goes right down the middle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this right about here. And we'll grind it some more to make sure that it's not easy to grind. We'll grind it some more to make sure that it, you know, it's easy to deal with. Ooh. Starting to think maybe my chalk line was not going to work. It's just gonna give me a fit until, you know, it's just gonna give me a fit for right now. Now I'm not even really gonna measure this up. I'm just gonna get a general idea, and that's where it's gonna go. And you can always just lay a ruler down there and measure with your ruler. So let's put us a skeg on here. You don't have to put a whole ton of this crap on there, because don't forget you're gonna do you know, if you really like the boat, you might fiberglass it later. Smear that a little bit now. You don't have as much to scrape later. Yeah, I'm breathing hard because my nose is stopped up from the allergies. See the bottom of that 1-inch flexing? If you don't want to do anything else to it, you want to just be able to put it together, glue it and go, I'd recommend the 2-inch. You wouldn't even have to fiberglass it or poor man's fiberglass it or seal it, because as long as you're not worried about getting wet, it really isn't a big deal. If it takes on too much water, you just have a sponge with you and sponge that water out. I'll bring it all the way up to the front, I believe. That. And then just get that over to the chalk line. And then get my razor knife. About right there. No, I'll do that. I'm gonna try that poor man's fiberglass. I've never tried that before. I just want to see how it's gonna work out. So that's what I'll do to this. to help your boat track a lot better. For those of you who don't know what track means, let's say this is your boat right here. When you're paddling across the pond, when you paddle, it goes this way. You paddle on the other side, it goes that way. Each time you change sides, or if you just have a paddle like this, every time you paddle, it's going to go this way. Paddle that way, it's going to go that way. If it has this on the bottom, it's less likely to do that, and it'll go a little bit more straight. So, then what let's do is stick these two on the back. You probably should wait to do this part until after you've done everything you're going to do on the top, but I didn't think about it. Just not going to matter much. From the center of that to here is 8 inches, so we go from right here, 8. Should do it. If it's off, you know, and you're going a long distance, which you would not go in a boat like this, it might cause you to go in an arc. But again, this is just for a pond, and I wouldn't recommend going too far in this. It's a toy. It's not really a boat. That. Stepping on stuff. Stepping on stuff. Okay, I guess let that dry overnight, and I'll see y'all in a couple of days.